Have you ever wondered why AI needs millions of examples to learn something? A child can see just a few cats and immediately understand what a cat is. AI can't do that. Show those same examples to an AI model, and it still has no idea what it's looking at. So why does AI need so much data? The answer reveals something fascinating about how AI really works. Humans don't simply memorize examples. We build concepts. We connect ideas. We understand relationships. A child can see a dog, a cat, and a bird. Very quickly, they begin to understand what makes each one unique. That's why humans can recognize something new after seeing only a few examples. We learn meaning, not just patterns. AI begins in a very different place. It has no experience, no common sense, no understanding of the world. To an AI model, a cat isn't a cat. It's just a collection of pixels. Millions of tiny dots arranged in a certain way. Everything AI learns must come from data. Now the challenge begins. Real cats don't all look the same. Some are black, some are white, some are fluffy, some are tiny, some are sleeping, some are running. Humans instantly know they're all cats. But for AI, every variation looks different, and that's where learning becomes difficult. Imagine training an AI using only 10 cat pictures. The model may remember those exact images. But then something unexpected happens. A new cat appears, one it has never seen before. Suddenly, the model struggles. Instead of learning the idea of a cat, it memorized the examples. And memorization is not understanding. As AI sees more examples, something changes. Patterns begin to appear. The model notices features that repeat again and again. Ears, eyes, whiskers, body shape, movement. With enough examples, the AI becomes better at recognizing new cats it has never seen before. That's the power of data. This is the most important idea in the entire video. Humans learn concepts. AI learns patterns. Humans understand meaning. AI discovers statistical relationships. When you see a dog, you know what a dog is. An AI model doesn't truly understand. It predicts based on patterns it has seen before. And that's the real reason AI needs so much data. Now the picture becomes clearer. Companies like Google, Meta, and OpenAI invest billions in collecting data. Because more data helps AI discover more patterns. More patterns create better models. Better models create better products. Search engines improve. Recommendations become smarter. AI assistants become more useful. Data is the fuel that powers modern AI. But there is an important catch. More data is not always better. Bad data creates bad models. Biased data creates biased results. Incomplete data creates blind spots. What matters isn't only quantity. Quality matters. Diversity matters. Relevance matters. The best AI systems learn from better data, not just more data. The good news is that researchers are already working on this challenge. Modern AI systems are becoming more efficient. They are learning from fewer examples. They are using human feedback. They are transferring knowledge between tasks. The future is not just bigger models. The future is smarter learning. One day, AI may learn much more like humans do. And when that happens, it may need far less data than it does today. Now you know why AI needs so much data. Not because AI is smarter than humans, but because it learns differently. Humans build concepts. AI finds patterns. And understanding that difference helps explain almost everything about modern AI. In the next video, we'll answer another fascinating question. I'll see you there.